Hello, Nadine here, and today I want to share these Derwent Procolour pencils that I got. These pencils, I've been using them just briefly, and so far I'm absolutely loving them. And then also they're the Derwent hardback sketchbook that I got, and I will be using a Creative Station Lite because I will be using, let's see, a Spellbinders stamp and die set. And when I cut out the dies, I use my Creative Station Lite because it's awesome to glue or adhere down die cuts. So, oh, and with the stamps, I will be also using some VersaFine Clair, but we'll get to that in just a second. Let me move all of this out of the way. I'm actually going to be decorating the outside of my book. Put that over there. And you can see it has lots of pages in it, and it looks like they're perforated so you can take them out easily if you would like to do that, but I want to use this maybe as a art journal book or something, so I'm just going to today decorate the outside of it. So to get started, I've got too much stuff on my little spot here. Let's check out these pencils. You can see lots of fabulous colors. This is, I think it's a 24, yeah, this is the 24 pencil set. And as I've been coloring with them, what I've been noticing that I guess maybe the other pencils I had maybe were cheaper or whatever, but when you color with them, it doesn't leave like the little pencil leavings that you get. It's very smooth coloring. So here are the stamps that I stamped out already. I did the leaves in, let's see, it's called VersaFine Clair in Shady Lane. That's what I did the leaves in, and then I did the little center of the flowers in the VersaFine Clair in Nocturne, and then the actual flowers itself I did in Red Tulip. So I'm going to go with a color that's a little bit lighter than the flowers. I'm going to do this one just to show you how well these color. It's super fine, or super smooth. They color in great. I don't want to bore you having you watch me color all of this. So let me speed this up real fast. There you go. You can see how great those colored in, and it leaves no pencil residue anywhere, which I absolutely love. Or I color in some more. Let me show you this other. I'm using some. This is Cosmic Shimmer and Glitter Kiss. This is the Frosty Sparkle Kiss. And also all the products that I'm going to use I will have listed below in the description box, so in case you like something you can find it. But this has like a fun sponge on the top. This is a new product that I just discovered that I'm liking. You just grab a little bit of the glitter, and I'm just going to rub it onto the top of my flowers to give them some sparkle. So while this is drying, I am going to color some more flowers and more leaves, and then I'm going to die cut them out, and I will be right back. Okay, now that I have my pieces colored and cut out, let me show you what they look like. You can see that sparkle that I added on there. I am going to now run these through my Creative Station Lite. So I am using, this is the 3-inch one, the 3-inch cartridge inside the 5-inch machine. So, oh, and I also made a sentiment too with another stamp set that says "Make It Beautiful," and then I took one of the pencils and outlined the embossed area. So let's put that in there first. There we go. Now I'm just going to push on all of these, make sure they're all stuck really well. The adhesive is on the back of them all pretty well. And then grabbing the front of my book, pull this off, throw this top piece away because we don't need that. And let's see, now I'm going to assemble them onto the front of my card. Or I mean, not card, this is a book. I don't want to stick them down quite yet because I want to be able to move them around a little bit. And there we go. Turn the plain front cover into something pretty. So now when I do my art journaling, I will have a pretty cover to it. And thank you for watching.